Alright guys, so we are going to finish up these notes. And so for number 3, we have x plus y equals 3. So again, we are just going to cover up our y, and we are going to have x equals 3. And then to solve for our y, we're just going to cover up our x, and we'll get y equals 3. And so then we can plot y equals 3, 1, 2, 3, and x equals 3, 1, 2, 3, and we can just connect our dots, making sure that we have arrows. Okay. Same thing for number 4. Cover up your y, and we have negative 4x equals 20, and you will divide by your negative 4 to get x equals negative 5, and you can go ahead and plot that. And then you do your y, so 5y equals 20. Divide both sides by 5, and you get y equals positive 4. And then you can plot that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you have those 2 points, you can connect your dots. Okay. Again, on number 5, cover up your y, so we get 4x equals negative 4. We're going to divide both sides by 4, so x will equal negative 1. And you can go ahead and plot that. And then next we'll cover up our x. We get negative y equals negative 4. Now remember, we cannot leave our y as negative, so we're just going to change the signs of everything. So y will equal positive 4. And now we can plot that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll connect our dots. Alright, for number 6, we have 9x plus 15y equals 45. So 9x equals 45. Divide both sides by 9, and you get x equals 5, which you can go ahead and plot. And then we have 15y equals 45. Divide by 15 on both sides, so y equals 3. 1, 2, 3. And draw your line. Okay. Alright, and now we've completed our first page. So now we're going to flip on back to our back page. And there's only 4 on our back page. Okay, so we only have a little bit left of this. And then we can go on to our next worksheet, which there will be a video for. Okay. Alright, so same thing as always. I'm going to move this down a little bit. Okay. So cover up your y, and we get 10x equals 10. Sorry, my hand was all up in that. Okay. Alright, so divide both sides by 10. There we go, that's better. And x will equal 1, which we can go ahead and plot. And then we'll cover up our x, and we get 2y equals 10. Divide both sides by 2, so y equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we can connect our dots. Whoops. Okay, well, it's supposed to be a connected dot. This is why I use a ruler most of the time. Okay. Alright. And then we have, for number 8, 2x minus 4y equals negative 8. So cover up your, oh, I changed my colors. Sorry, guys. Alright, so divide by 2. X equals negative 4. So we can go ahead and plot negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then cover up your x. So negative 4y equals negative 8. Divide by negative 4. So y equals positive 2. Because remember, negative divided by negative is a positive. And then plot that. And I'll go back to our normal colors. So cover up your y. So x equals 1. Well, that one was easy, so we can go ahead and plot it. And then cover up your x. So negative y equals 1. But remember, our y can't be negative, so we're just going to change our signs of everything. So y equals -1, which we can go ahead and plot. And then draw our line. And last one, cover up your y, so 10x equals -30. Divide both sides by 10, and x equals -3, which we can go ahead and plot. And then cover up your x, so 30y equals -30. Divide by 30 on both sides, so y equals -1, which we can plot. And then we draw our line through both points. And now we're done, okay? Alright, so you have one more video to watch, and then you should be done, okay? Alright, so I will see you guys in a little bit.